2026 BMW X3 Preview. What to expect? The 2025 BMW X3 is entering the new model year with a full redesign. With BMW introducing the fourth generation of the X3 for the 2025 model year, the 2026 model is expected to be a carryover model. Here's what we expect to see with the 2026 BMW X3. The 2026 BMW X3 should have the same exterior design as the 2025 model year. The current X3 features a bold exterior design with large kidney grilles with horizontal and diagonal slats, triangular headlights with Z-shaped daytime running lights, sharp angles on the front fascia, and rectangular air vents. The side profile of the X3 features prominent body lines that connect the front fender to the rear tail lights and deep cutouts at the bottom of the doors. The rear end of the X3 has arrow-shaped tail lights, an angular rear fascia, a robust rear bumper, and a hidden exhaust outlet. The interior design of the 2026 BMW X3 should match the current model that's on sale. The X3's design is radically different compared to previous generations. The SUV has a rounded and simple dashboard with two large displays that are integrated into a single panel. The cabin has minimal physical controls, U-shaped trim pieces, and a flat-bottom steering wheel. The X3's center console has a toggle switch for the transmission, a rotary dial for the infotainment system, and a few controls for the SUV. We expect the 2026 BMW X3 will come with the same tech features as the current model. The X3 comes with the automaker's latest BMW Operations System 9, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14.9-inch central display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a wireless charging pad, Bluetooth, and satellite radio. The X3 has over-the-air software update compatibility, as well as third-party app compatibility. 2026 BMW X3 engine and specs. The 2026 BMW X3 should retain the same powertrains as the 2025 X3. The current model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that's paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. The engine is rated at 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic transmission and AWD are standard. The M50 features a turbocharged 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It produces 393 HP and 428 lb-ft of torque. The six-cylinder engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and routes power to all four wheels through an AWD system. 2026 BMW X3 Safety. BMW isn't expected to make any changes to the 2026 X3's list of standard safety features compared to the current model that's on sale. The current version of the SUV comes with automatic high beam assist, automatic park assist, parking sensors, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, lane keeping assist, and lane departure warning. Available safety features include an interior camera, adaptive cruise control, BMW's Active Driving Assistant System, BMW's Active Driving Assistant Pro system, and BMW's Parking Assistant Professional feature. 2026 BMW X3 price. BMW has not confirmed pricing for the 2026 X3 yet. Without any major changes, the 2026 BMW X3 should have a similar range as the current model. 2025 BMW X3 pricing currently ranges from $50,675 to $65,275. Competitors in the compact segment include the Lexus NX, Mercedes-Benz GLC, Porsche Macan, Audi Q5, Volvo XC60, and Genesis GV70. 2026 BMW X3 release date. The 2026 BMW X3 could arrive at dealerships as early as the end of 2025. More information on the compact SUV should become available within the next few months. Please check back for updates as they become available.